Going out to lunch can be so tempting, especially when you work near a bunch of fast, tasty, quick service restaurants like I used to. So I'm going to share with you how I meal prep salads so that you can avoid the takeout and get your food spending under control. Hey there, I'm Jen. I'm the creator of Modern Frugality, and I know how crucial planning is to controlling your spending on food. Whether it's groceries or eating out, you need to put some things in your standard routine so that you can be prepared when life happens, because it happens every week, every day. So having some tools in your back pocket to be prepared will help you on the days that you're just mentally not there to be prepared. A few of the ways that I stay prepared are by meal planning, and I have a video on that I did a while ago. I also make freezer meals that I incorporate into my life at least weekly. I also have a video that you can check out on that. But we focus so much of our time on dinner that we can forget how much lunch can be a secret budget buster. I usually eat leftovers for lunch. When I worked in an office, I would take leftovers, but for the nights that I don't have any, I make sure to have a few things prepped that I can take for lunch the next day so that I'm not going out to Chipotle or one of the other quick service places that were by my office. Or now that I work at home, I just don't eat if I don't have anything pre-prepared, which is equally unhealthy. In the summer, that meal prep is usually salads. But how, you ask? I do not make those cute little jar salads that Pinterest is wild about. For me, they are impractical. They're small, and a girl is hungrier than what you can get in a pint. I'd have to keep a backpack as a lunchbox if I was gonna carry a jar big enough to fill me up. I don't like using multiple containers to carry my food and then to eat it too. Like, I want to be able to eat it out of the container it came in, and that's just like not practical with a jar. So there are multiple reasons that I don't make those cute jar salads, and that's not what you're going to learn today. You're going to learn how I personally meal prep salads practically. There is actually a simple 5-ingredient formula for a great meal prep salad, no matter what you have. So, you ready? Write this down. You need your greens. You need your veggies or fruit. You need a protein. You need a dressing, and then you need a crunch. And that's really it. As long as you have, you don't even need all 5, but if you have all 5 of those, you're gonna have a pretty good salad. And then also you can add cheese too. I didn't mention cheese, but that's always a good time. And you're definitely not gonna see me starting a food blog anytime soon. That formula is, usually not pretty, but like I have a personal finance and simple living blog. So I have a simple salad formula. And I really use kind of whatever I'm trying to get rid of in my pantry or fridge to determine what kind of salad I'm making for the week. So that's kind of how I base this off. I'm not trying to win any like food blogger awards. But I will share 3 of my favorite recipes from some food bloggers. So the first one is this kale salad with lemon vinaigrette from the Garlic Diaries. Sometimes I will put some chicken or chickpeas on it because it doesn't have a protein in it. It's like made as a side salad, but I'll eat it as a main salad. And again, it's got that kale in it. And kale will last all week with dressing on it. It is a wonder green. You can quote me on that. And Travis, if you're watching, I'm sorry, I love kale. That's it. The next one that I can get even my kale-hating husband to eat is the chopped Thai salad from Pinch of Yum. And so this one's got like a little bit of everything. It's got your crunch and your veggies and your edamame for protein. Like, it's got such good stuff. And again, homemade salad dressing makes the salad, and it'll stay on that kale and just make it like better every day. And lastly, for my other kale haters, just a simple spring salad, spring greens with like feta, golden raisins, a couple other things, very yummy, from Green Valley Kitchen. So I will link all of those in the description below. You can check them out, and let me know how you like your meal prep salads, keeping the dressing on the kale or bringing your romaine with your dressing on the side. Let me know what camp you're in. Let me know what side you're on. And I will be back every week bringing you more money-saving goodness and sharing more tips like this. So thanks for watching.